Good morning, YouTube! If you notice, Fizzer changed. I decided to ride Charlotte today. I figured I haven't shown... Damn it, I smell pot again! What the fuck? Anyway, I decided to ride Charlotte again. Well, not again, but after a while. It's been a while. I had to dust her off. She had a bunch of dust on her. Who else rides a cruiser in Chucks? Me and Mini Rook got matching shoes. I don't know why. I've always wanted a new pair of Chucks because the last pair I had were fake Chucks. Just relax. See, this is one reason why I like Charlotte and cruisers and stuff like this, because you can just sit back and relax and enjoy the melodies. I don't know why I'm so gassy today. Oh, bridge! Charlotte is so loud, so manly. I think I got some airtime. I want to get up now. I want to get up next to that Taurus, the one that just crossed lanes, and the one that was beside me and wouldn't let me pass. I want to get up beside him because now he's in the other lane, and I can just sit there and rev bomb him for being a dick. Hello, cutie. I like redheads. I don't know why. Oh, he's dancing. Get it. Hey, dick, come back here. I want you to hear my exhaust. Haha. There you go. I really don't want to hear your music. Bike up there thought I was revving for him. I know she's fucking annoyed. She had this pissy ass look on her face. Oh, she's so mad. She's so mad. Why the fuck are you saying that? Hey, you know it's a red hand, so you have to get back on the fucking sidewalk, you dumbass. Now I'm talking to you with your coffee and your cigarettes in your hand, you dumbass. You're gonna get hit by traffic. They're gonna fuck you up. Now you can go, you dumbass. Oh man, riding through there would be awesome. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to work. I'll see y'all this afternoon. Alright, so as most of you can deduce, the sun has not moved much because it's not after work. I got fired. No, I didn't get fired. Emails sent while I was on the way to work that I obviously couldn't get because, well, it's hard to check emails when you're on a motorcycle. I have to head to another location to do some network tests and check on the network, check on servers and stuff like that. Oh no, honey, oh shit. I just went to scratch my nose without putting my visor up. Rip. Oh no, honey, I'm good. Don't know the words to the song, but I'll try to sing along with it again. There's a such thing as a fucking line. Good afternoon. Looks quite a bit different than it did this morning, doesn't it? Or doesn't it? That damn mirror. That damn crack in the middle of the fucking road. Fix your fucking roads, Louisville. I'm fine with the nut busters and shit because I can get used to them, but those damn cracks will fuck a motorcycle up in a minute. Actually, not even that. It'd take a couple seconds. Porchin? The fuck's that supposed to mean? Ooh, she's cute. Not so much. I wonder how many of those buses bottom out there. I mean, look how... Jesus Christ! Watch how close the front gets. Watch this. Watch. Bloop. As we got a great big convoy scraping on the streets. On the screech. Bloop. And see, it's a butt buster, so it's not that bad. I'm used to having my butt busted. Wait a minute, what? As a kid. Because I was a bad kid. Oh, cutie. I'm gonna follow her. Get back here, woman. Come here, woman. You're not cute. Yeah, fluff your hair. Make yourself cute for me. Aww. Hey, guess what? We're under a bridge. Wow, that was fucking loud. And she's on the phone. Oh, I wonder, what's the speed limit? What is the speed limit? Shit! Maybe I should ask him. Because it's not really... I haven't seen it posted lately. Have I told you lately that you're speeding? Oi! What's the speed limit? There's no one! Police cops everywhere! A dude looked like a redneck, and he's sitting like, you know, the typical ghetto kid, and he looks like a redneck, but he's Asian. Confused? Question mark? Please. Fuck her! You would make me start saying that shit, you asshole! You, sir, are a dick. Whee! And the police cop's still back there. Can you see him? I was acting goofy. Fuck it. 'Cause I don't get no fucks. How's that song go? Everybody probably looking at me like, what the fuck is he doing? Then they see the camera and like, then they pull a blaze. Confused? Question mark. She might or might not be cute. Not 100% sure. Nope, she's not. Oh, for fuck's sake. And I can't run it because the police comes behind me. Oi, can I run this light? What's that? Yes? Okay. Well, I'm in a hurry to go nowhere. I hope that cop didn't turn around. I'll be fucked. I'll just tell him I sat through it before. I've sat through that light numerous times and it never changed because I'm on a motorcycle. Look, I would have hit that fucking Explorer. He's on the fucking yellow line. I'd walk up there, hey motherfucker. Ooh, man, this engine's hot. It's like, what am I supposed to do? You're scooting up like you're going somewhere, pal. Jesus Christ. Your damn belly's rubbing the steering wheel. You're gonna have more wear on the belt on the bottom of your steering wheel than where your hands are. I was wondering why the car was sitting like this. God, I'm a dick. I'm only doing that because he's on his cell phone. Hey, look, what's that? Live my life. Oops. Fucking RevBombs, there's a cop sitting right there. Oops. Disturbing the peace up in this bitch. Well, he not coming after me, so I guess I'm okay. This thing's kind of warm, so if you would expedite your process, that'd be great. That's cool. Beep, 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 beep. Well, guys, I gotta get my yard mowed. And if you like this video, Hit that like button. Let me know how much you liked it in the comments below. Let me know if you have any suggestions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe as well. And as usual, this thing right here, see you guys online. Peace. We're going out on the town. This boy's not out trying to pick up some loose wind. It seems you got so much, it's got noticeably more power. I'm turning off.